Okay, I'm here with David Campbell from County Down Stoves and Flues. David, tell us about your company and what exactly do you guys do?
Okay, my name's David Campbell, as you say. I'm a registered chimney technician in Northern Ireland. I train a lot of chimney technicians both north and south of the border. We probably come into the stove industry from a different perspective. We don't just sell stoves, we specialise in the flue systems and how stoves work. We've given seminars for building control and NHBC with regards to flue technologies. So I think we've a wee bit more to offer to the general public who are actually thinking about the implications of getting a solid fuel stove to work safely in their homes.
So along with selling your product, you also have the knowledge to back it up?
Yeah, I would hope that would be correct, yeah.
And how long are you in business for?
I've been a registered chimney technician 21 years. We're agents for Clearview stoves they're made over in Shropshire. Have been for nearly 4 years now. We're the only company that Clearview trusts to sell their stoves in Northern Ireland as well. Unfortunately, you missed out the opportunity to speak to Clearview yesterday. They were here on the stand, but that's just one of those things. But yeah, we have a good working relationship with Clearview. One of the high-end British manufactured stoves rather than import stoves that seem to be flooding the market. Keeps us out of mischief.
And you've got a great website too. Where can people find you?
Website countydownstovesandflues.co.uk, or make it a little bit easier, cdsf.co.uk. We tend to deal a lot down in the south of Ireland as well as in the north of Ireland. A lot of my posts on boards.ie have proved to be quite helpful, and a lot of people down there know me quite well from helping them out with chimney issues and things. It keeps me out of trouble.
Okay, David, show us how it's done.
All right, Kevin, the clever feature of a Clearview is the doors are double glazed, so the glass stays clean all the time on a stove. You'll also notice that they're one of the most controllable stoves on the market. So if I reduce the oxygen levels going into the stove, you'll notice almost instantly the flame drops. Now unfortunately we're only burning bioethanol because we're indoors in the show today, but normally this stove would be burning solid fuel. And if we then open up the air supply and feed oxygen back into the fire, you can see it's almost instantaneous. They're like a gas fire almost. But as I say, they burn coal, wood, turf, every bit as well as bioethanol. I'll show you on this stove how it works.
Great.
Now, on all stoves, there's a rope gasket. The theory behind the rope is it's designed to make an airtight seal. But if the door isn't tight, the stove can draw oxygen that you have no control over. So the very simple design of a Clearview has a threaded handle. So by unwinding the handle, you gain more tension on the rope. And also on the inside of the door on the hinge, we can adjust the hinge blocks to ensure that the rope is kept in tight this side as well. And that's why the stove responds to everything I do with the air controls.